Yeah. Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing about acceleration. Okay, what is that and all? You'll understand. Don't worry. So my name is Shashin Reddy. I'm a graduate from IITian. Let's go into the class. So here, when you talk about acceleration, where have you heard about this term? Now, if you are riding a bike, okay, a normal bike. I mean, obviously you might not be of age, but yeah, some of you might have tried it. Right, there is something called an accelerator at the right side. On the handle, the right side, you race it. So racing it, what happens when you do it up? Speed increases. Yes or no? Speed increases. So when we say acceleration, that means we are increasing the speed. So this acceleration is nothing but a measure of how fast the speed is changing. How fast the speed is changing. In fact, it need not always increase. I mean, see, when you apply brakes, then what happens? When we apply brakes, the speed decreases. In fact, almost in some cases, the vehicle also stops. But again, even when it stops, the speed has decreased. Right? So, when we say acceleration, we mean about rate of change in velocity or how fast the velocity is changing. When I say changing, it could be increasing or it could be decreasing. So keeping all this in mind, we define acceleration as change in velocity upon time. This will take care of everything, how fast the velocity is changing, increasing or decreasing. Okay, so it is also defined as what? It is also defined as the rate of change of velocity. Now this is the simple term, this is the formula. Then how do we write it? For acceleration, we use a symbol A, small a. And when we say change in velocity, it is final minus initial velocity. See, final minus initial. So V minus U by T. Got it? So A is equal to V minus U by T. Simple enough. So V is final velocity, U is initial velocity. That's it, done. T is time. Clear? This is the formula. So please remember, this is very important. Okay, now I'll go into a simple example for your sake. I'll go into all of them, don't worry. So here, let's say, here you know the terms. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity. I'll go into some example. Let's take an example here. Now, let's say the velocity increased from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second in 2 seconds. Or else I'll take the another example, 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second, but I'll just change the time in 1 second. In the first case here, the speed increased from 10 to 20 in 2 seconds. In the second case here, the speed increased from 10 to 20 in 1 second. So in which case did the speed change fast? In which case did the speed change soon? Did the speed change fast? Yeah? In case 1 or case 2, case A or case B. Let's call this as case A. Let's call this as case B. Yeah? When we say fast, lesser time will mean faster. See here, 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second in only 1 second. Here it took more time. Here it took less time. It is taking less time will mean it is changing fast. Yes or no? Changing fast. Yes? So here when you try to calculate the values of acceleration in both the cases. In case A, I'll just go with case A. There, what is the formula for acceleration? V minus U by T. V will refer to the final velocity. U will refer to initial velocity. So in case A, V is 20, U is 10. So 20 minus 10 by time 2, you'll get the answer as 5 meter per second square. Whereas if I go into the case V, there, look at that. A is equal to V minus U by T formula. What is V? V is 20. What is U? 10. 20 minus 10. But now what is time? Time is 1 second. Do you know what will the answer be here? It will be 10 meter per second square. Now you can clearly see, whenever the time was 2 seconds, the acceleration is 5 meter per second square, but whenever the time is 1 second, the acceleration is 10. So whenever the time is less, acceleration is more. 1 second acceleration 10 meter per second square. 2 seconds acceleration is 5. Obviously this is greater. So less time will mean more acceleration. That will be taken care by this formula. So coming back, what is the formula for acceleration? It is equal to V minus U by T. What will V mean? V will mean final velocity. U will mean initial velocity. And time T is the time taken. Understood? So very simple formula. What is the formula? A is equal to V minus U by T. A is equal to V minus U by T. That's it. That's what you have to keep in mind. Got it?